Good Thursday morning, and thanks for checking out your Mr. Quick forecast. Another brutally cold morning with temperatures between -5 and -8 degrees here in most of central Indiana this morning. We're going to see temperatures getting a little bit warmer today thanks to a southeast wind that will start to work in. We will see snow as we go into tonight. We have a winter weather advisory which will kick in after sunset. We do look to get several inches of snowfall overnight tonight, so travel will become very slick and hazardous tonight. Looks like the snow will work into Indianapolis around 10 or 11 o'clock this evening. And as we're going through the overnight, we'll see steady snowfall across the area. Snow should start to wind down by about 4 or 5 tomorrow morning, so by the morning commute tomorrow, most of the snow will be done falling, but I think roads can be very slick and snow covered overnight through Friday morning, so please keep that in mind. We're looking at potential for about 2 to 4 inches of snow in most of the area from Indianapolis and points to the north, and there could be a band of locally just over 4 inches just north of the city there. So check it out, your 7-day forecast. Again, we had the big warm up that we have been promising you. It's coming. Look at the temperatures by tomorrow. We crack above the freezing mark here. So first time since Monday we have done that. And as we go into Saturday, we're going to see perhaps some drizzle in the morning, maybe some freezing drizzle. But then as we go into Saturday afternoon, we should see a little bit of sun, with temperatures getting well into the 40s. Sunday, look at Sunday, 57 degrees. Should see some sunshine, dry weather. So Sunday is by far the best day this weekend to make outdoor plans. But then we have an active pattern next week. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday offer up rain chances across the area. Look at that 60 on Monday. We'll keep temperatures, still above normal through the middle part of next week, but all signs do point to some much colder temperatures by Thursday of next week. But in the meantime, we will get a nice little break from the weather. Again, some snow tonight. Be sure you're aware of that. I do think travel will become very slick overnight with snow-covered roadways. And as we go into tomorrow morning, we're still probably going to see the lingering effects of some slick roads. So keep that in mind here as we go into tonight. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.